Hello dear students, as we have completed part A of business studies book, that is foundation of business. It includes 6 chapters. Number 1, evolution and fundamentals of business. Number 2, forms of business organizations. Number 3, public, private and multinational company. 4, business services. 5th, emerging modes of business. 6th, social responsibility of business and business ethics. Now in this lecture we will start part B. It includes 4 chapters: sources of business finance, small business and enterprises, internal trade, and 10th chapter, international trade. So we will start chapter 7, sources of business finance. Children, before starting the chapter, I would like to show and discuss a very interesting case which makes you understand the concept very well. Mr. Piyush has been running a restaurant for the last 2 years. The excellent quality of food has made the restaurant popular in no time. Motivated by the success of his business, Mr. Piyush is now contemplating the idea of opening a chain of similar restaurants at different places. However, the money available with him from his personal sources is not sufficient to meet the expansion requirements of his business. So students, have you understood? Mr. Piyush is running a sole proprietorship business of restaurant. He is very popular in the market due to providing good quality of food. So he thought to open chain of similar restaurant at different places, but it required resources, more funds. He has insufficient resources to meet the expansion requirement of his business. His father told him that he can enter into a partnership with the owner of another restaurant who will bring in more funds, but it would also require sharing of profit and control of business. So his father advised him to enter into a partnership business which bring more fund for him for his business, but on the other side it required to share profits, and also it dilutes control of business affair. In another hand, he is also thinking of getting a bank loan. Another idea came into his mind that he can also get bank loan and meet his fund requirement. He is worried and confused as he has no idea as to how and from where he should obtain additional funds. But still he is very confused because every fund, every source of fund has its own advantages or disadvantages. He discusses the problem with his friend Yash, who tells him about some other methods like issue of shares and debentures which are available only to a company form of organization. So his friend Yash suggested him for another method of raising funds like issue of shares and debentures, but these sources are available with a company form of organization. He further cautions him that each method has its own advantages and limitations, and his final choice should be based on factors like the purpose and period of which funds are required. That means long term and short term fund, and what is the purpose, what is the objective of his requirement of funds, and how long he want fund to be utilized in his business. He wants to learn about these methods. Alright, so in order to acquire proper source of fund at lower cost, lower risk, which produce higher returns, needs to learn about raising of funds, which we are going to discuss in this chapter. All right, back to our topic, that is sources of business finance. See, why do we need funds? Business finance means funds for business. We need money to run a business. We need money to expand a business. We need to money even to start a business. Finance is regarded as the lifeline of any business. It is concerned as lifeblood of business. It is not possible to operate and control the affairs of business without having adequate funds. Hence, it is highly required for effective management of finance in an organization to accomplish organizational goals. Fund is required for conducting all sort of business activities performed by different departments of the corporation, such as expansion, construction, research work, innovation, development, procurement of resources, etc. In a nutshell, one can say finance is key ingredients needed for growth and survival of the business. So, business finance is concerned with planning, raising, controlling and administering the fund used in the business. That means in business finance we are going to plan entire about funds. All right, now like how to procure fund, estimation of fund, sources of getting fund, utilization of fund, etc. Business finance is formed by the two words, that is business and finance. You know what is business. Business is profit making venture, all activities which are carried out for making money. Trade, commerce and manufacturing activities are included in business, whereas finance means procure, allocation and control of funds. Now see the meaning of business finance. So business finance is that business activity which is concerned with the acquisition and conservation of capital funds in meeting financial needs and overall objectives of business enterprises.